Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I have found a set of earrings so fun and versatile. I have been wearing them all the time.
This set of disco ball earrings by YAHPERN is just one of my favorite accessories. I love that they came individually wrapped in these little bubble wrap pockets, so they were really well protected when they came to me. And they come in three different sizes, so you're able to wear a matching pair, or what I really like to do is mix match them because I think that that is super fun. But each one has such a great shimmer and great little disco ball detail on it, and my favorite thing is that they come with those stoppers, so they slide on real easy and they're not going to fall out of my ear. I have long hair, but even with my hair down, you're still able to see these earrings and see that shimmer. They have such a nice flow to them, and I don't find them to be too heavy. I think they're super comfortable. I love to mix and match them, and I just think that they're perfect for so many different occasions.
If you're looking for the perfect thing to finish your outfit, whether it's for a specific event or just adding a little bit of shimmer to every day, I highly recommend checking out these earrings. I love them so much, but that's just my point of view.